Good morning, students. Okay, today we are going to discussing again about the Africa continent. See, take all of you your running notes and maintain running notes and take your textbook. Page number, open page number 61. Page number 61. See, look at here pictures and one of the person. Observe this person and what is the position. And next, these colors, you can observe the colors also. So now I am going to give the information about these colors and about this person. Okay. See here, and a blue color. The first one here given there is a green color. Green color, that the Belgium. That these are the European countries. Here the next Britain and orange color, France, blue color, and again thick green, Germany, and again light green, Italy, and blue color, Portugal, and again light blue color, Spain, and here and yellow color are the independent countries. See what is these colors, and here these countries and these colors indicate on the European continent. See here blue color what I said here, France. So this is the blue color area is under controlled or colonized by the France. Okay. See here, and this topic is Africa and Europe and Asia. See the Europeans, see they want to discover the sea routes and they want to establishing their trade centers, and they are occupied some places, they are establishing their colonies in the other continents. So like that they are going to the another continents like America. North America is the best example. They are migrated from the Europe to North America, but here they are cultivating the some areas, cultivating or harvesting the some land areas, but here they need the workers, laborers they need. So because of this reason, they are cultivating the North America land, so they need the more laborers. So they are searching for laborers. Okay. So here like that, they are searching for the laborers and they are reached to the Africa continent in the coastal areas. So like that here, what is the importance of the here 1498 and before 1453, here the two important days. The one is 1453, the day importance is this date importance is Constantinople, and that is occupied by the Turkey Sultan Mahmud II, and he was closed the land route and sea routes of the European country to the another countries. So because these Europeans, especially the person, the Vasco da Gama, who are started, he is traveling from the Portuguese. Okay, so he was and with the help of his king, and he was starting his sail on the Atlantic Ocean, and he want to discover the new places. And here another important also is there 1492, that is the another traveler Columbus, and these are the discovered the sea route to the another places. So here the Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to the India, but in that time they are traveling on the or sailing on the Atlantic Ocean, and they are touched to the reach to the and coastal areas of the Africa continent. So sometimes they are come to here and they are staying and they are searching for the new places in Africa continent. So like that they are touching in the Cape of Good Hope, that last tip of the Africa continent. So like that they reach to the, and again they traveling on the Indian Ocean and reach to the Calicut. So like that so many Europeans, they want to discover the new places to the world, in the world, new places in the world. So here in that time, especially the Europeans need the slaves and need the laborers. So because of they are and searching the Africa continent, and they are captured and some of the slave and laborers. They are exporting to their countries, and here like that. And the main purpose is they are come to the Africa continent. Here main purpose is for the slaves. So here like that, here the France occupied, when they are entering into the Africa continent, the France people occupied, the France government occupied these blue color areas. So which continents are located, you can with the help of the textbook you can observe these which continent, which countries are located here. So Morocco is there, Albania is there, Algiers is there, okay, Libya also is there, and here, and so many Chad and so many countries. So how you are going to find out here, see, and these areas, Algeria, Libya and Morocco, and these are the places, and blue color places are here, Algeria and West Sahara and Morocco and Mauritania, Mali, Niger, Chad, and these areas and ruled by the France country. Okay, see here this is it. And here what is the orange color here? Britain. Orange color countries are the Britain occupied this Egypt also having the orange color, and Sudan also. See which countries are located here? Egypt and Sudan, and Libya also is located that, but Libya having the different color. Libya having the green color. The which country green color here? Belgium. And that is the matching color, you can find out that I think it is Italy. Okay, see here, and next Belgium, this is the middle, that is, this is Congo area. Okay, Congo areas. So like that, Portugal, the thick blue color. Okay, so next and Spain also blue colors. And independent countries here, one of the only one independent country is showing on the map, that is the Ethiopia, not under controlled by the European countries. So here now we are going to comparing the why Europeans enter into the Africa continent. Africa continent has the one name, that is dark continent. So because of they are unable to, Arab people or European peoples or Dutch peoples, or they are unable to cross the Sahara desert, because of it is a very vast desert and biggest desert in the world. So because of they are unable to cross the Sahara desert and Kalahari desert. This is the main reason for unknown to the European peoples. So they are entered to the Africa continent, and they are established their colonies, and they are entered into their politics, and next they are exporting the slaves to the America, So like here, these people who are sent to the America continent, these people treated like a slave. Slave, do you know how they are? They are very looked down in the society. But here they are not given the a quality food to them. They are not given the good wages. They are not given any wages. They are not given the good quarters also. They are that is given the punishment. Okay, the daily punishments, and like that they are treated very cruelly. So these people are suffered in America and in Africa countries also. In India, what happened in India? The Europeans entered to India. They started their trade centers. They are entering into our politics, and next they are controlling the India. Our Indians fight against to the British government. So like that, India got independence in 1947. So like that, these people also fight against to the European colonies, European imperialism. Okay, so here these people are suffered a long period and racial discrimination. Okay, so here happening in these areas, these people are suffered from the European countries. Okay, so like here European established the trade centers here. Why? And another important purpose, they are come to here and getting some of the important crops. They want to establishing the trade centers. At the same time, they have started the cultivation also. Here the plantation also, they have started the plantations also. So here they are raising the tea, coffee and rubber and next tobacco, and these crops they are getting the huge crops and exporting to their countries. They are exporting to their countries and getting the huge properties. Okay, so like that here this is the one of the important here one of the Nigeria also, and Nigeria also coca chocolates, you are eating everyday chocolates. Coca, it is made by made with the coca, that is one of the seeds. Okay, so these and here different crops are grown in the Nigeria. We are able to find out Nigeria. This is Nigeria. So which country here occupied Britain? Which country entered? But Britain, European country, very small country. If you are observing, the Britain is a very small country, that is an island it is, but it is controlling and ruling the Nigeria, ruled by the Britain, and these peoples are fight against to the British government. Okay, so not only British and France against these, Algeria also fight against to the France government, and Libya also, and Nigeria also, Chad also, Mali, and almost all countries are controlled by the foreign control, and they want to free from the foreigners. But because why they are not privileging their rights? So because of this is the reason, and these people are fight against the European countries. Like here how many countries occupied Africa continent? So Belgium, Britain, France. See here, I just want to write here Britain and Belgium, France, Italy, okay, and Portugal, Spain, and independent countries. See here, once again I want to say, this is the Britain, okay, Belgium, Britain, Belgium, France, Italy, and here next Portuguese and Spain. These countries, European countries, and established their colonies in the Africa continent. Okay, here they are controlling and over the totally Africa continent, and here they are exporting their food crops, and they are exporting also human beings also. Human beings also exporting like a food grains. So how it is a very cruel situation happening in the before 1800s, at the time of the 1800s, 40 and 50. This is the long period struggle against the foreign countries, and like here these some of the countries fight and got independence. That means free from the foreign countries, like India free from the Britain, it is got independence 1947. So like that Pakistan also free from the foreign countries, like that Bangladesh also free from the 1971, free from the foreign countries. So like that so many countries and controlled over by the European continents. So like Africa also like and ruled by the European countries, not only one country here, so many countries are there. So like that these peoples are fight a long period against these British and European countries, and they free from the, and these citizens got independence from the Europeans. And 1860 importance, that is, what is the importance of the 1860? That is African people, and they are free from the, they got independence like that, they are free from the foreign controls. So like that another country also trying to get the independence, so followed the other countries. Here Dutch also enters, or Netherlands, Dutch means Netherlands. So these are also establishing their trade centers, and they are getting and exporting these important goods. So Nigeria is the one of the very long struggle against the Britain. Okay, long struggle. Here the three kinds of the tribal people also is there. So these peoples and want to separate from each other. They want to divide it the three regions. How the Andhra Pradesh divided two regions, and before 1953 Andhra Rashtra only one state is there, that is the Tamil people, Andhra people. Now The Andhra people also Telangana people, Andhra people, Tamil people. So like Nigeria also divided like that only. Okay. So here, see the importance of this, and next slaves and slave trade ended when they are fight against to their governments, and slave trade ended in the end of the 19th century. Okay, and declared freedom 1860 for some of the African countries, and exported the timber. These people exporting to the timber and minerals also, like gold mines and like minerals also. So coastal areas and exploit the resources, especially coastal areas. What is the? These are the which are shared boundary with the oceans. These are the coastal areas. So these are also these areas especially exploited by the Europeans. So these areas also people fight against the European people. So this is the topic today session. See, once again, these are the important countries. Nearly 53 countries are there. Here, one of the important country, Egypt. What is the country south of the Egypt? Sudan. Sudan also divided two parts. South Sudan. 212. It was divided from the Sudan. 2012. And Ethiopia importance. It is only one independent country in the whole Africa continent. Only one Ethiopia country. Okay, it is not under controlled by the any foreign countries. Okay, so like that Somalia. Somalia, it is a very small country. Okay, but in Olympics it got so many medals also. It is efforts, they are showing a good efforts. And Kenya, this is the Kenya, Tanzania, okay, Mozambique, Madagascar, and next South Africa. This is the South Africa. Okay, Namibia, Angola, okay, Congo. I said Congo River, also located here, Congo, Gabon, okay, and in a Central African Republic, okay, Chad, and here Zambia, and Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe, what is the capital? Harare. Zimbabwe capital? Harare. So here what you are understanding the concept of the Africa, and here the people who are living in this Africa continent, how they are treated like a slave, not like a slave, and by the European countries. So this is the importance of the, and this is the political map. And before this you are saying a physical map, this is the political map. So this is the, what is the importance country? Nigeria. Okay, Nigeria, Abuja capital. Okay, Nigeria, and another important South Africa. Okay, so next this once again see the what is the importance of this 1453 after, and 1492, 1498 very very important. This is the Vasco da Gama discovered sea route to India. See this page, textbook, and observe every student and read the textbook also, and with the help of the textbook this worksheet also complete. Okay, and take the answers from the textbook. So here, and here if you are any confused, you can use the here QR code is given and scan this and go into the Diksha app and get the more information from this app and from the 7th class lesson. Okay, so videos are available from the textbook also. This is the QR code, scan this. Okay, read and not only one time, more times read the textbook. Okay, take one page and read 2-3 times, then get the information what I am telling in the class. Okay, what you are getting idea, and note down in our notes, and maintain the good handwriting. So assignment is that is the reading textbook. Okay, and so this is today topic. And here hard words also, if you are having the any doubt, you can get the answer or meaning from the dictionary or Google. You can use that. Okay, thank you children. And the last part, a little bit part is there, and we are going to discussing the next class. Thank you.